The Audi RS7 2022 is a super high-performance hatchback that is both bold and luxurious. Wondering how something so sexy and strong share a body with something tacky and weak like a Chevy Spark? Just like the A7 and S7 variants on which the RS7 is based, Audi books these sleek 4 doors with hatches for added practicality. However, the Avant RS6 is cheaper and more spacious. However, with wide thighs and a twin-turbo V8 producing 591 horsepower, getting attention and going fast is the RS7's main goal. While its explosive thrust causes passengers involuntarily to curse, and its sharp handling inspires drivers to smile, the hottest hatch never feels unruly or raw. Instead, the interior exudes luxury, pampering the rider with rich ornamentation and luxurious features. As a result, the premium-priced 2022 RS7 is a quick expression of encouraging enthusiasm and wealth. Audi further promotes the RS7's sporty status with the new RS design package, which adds a unique floor mat, black seat belts with red or gray borders, and more microsuede surfaces throughout the cabin, including on the new flat-bottomed steering wheel. Plus, the interior now comes standard with carbon fiber trim. The RS7 suspension can be upgraded with dynamic ride control, which is said to reduce body roll in corners and improve handling. Audi makes this easy because there is only one RS7 to choose from, and it is equipped with excellent equipment such as all-wheel drive, 4-wheel steering and an adjustable air suspension system. For maximum madness, consider the Black Optics package, which adds dark exterior trim and giant 22-inch alloy wheels with summer performance tires. To unlock the V8's best soundtrack, we've also opted for a sports exhaust. Power comes from a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine paired to a 48-volt hybrid system, 8-speed automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive. All of these technologies make the RS7 heavier than the last generation model, which produced 605 horsepower. However, with 591 horses and 590 pound-feet of torque, the RS7 we tested jumped to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. Want a little stronger acceleration? Try the 617 HP BMW M5 Competition or the 603 HP Mercedes-AMC E63S sedan. Both hit 60 miles per hour in 2.9 ticks. The RS7 uses air suspension with adaptive settings for varying degrees of rigidity. Still, it felt smooth regardless of the drive mode, and even slid on our testers' 22-inch rims, 21 is standard. Bend into corners is also fun thanks to the ready chassis and the added agility of the standard rear-wheel steering system. Crazy fast and incredibly comfortable are accurate descriptions of his driving personality. Despite opting for carbon ceramic brakes, which allowed its top speed to be increased from 155 to 190 miles per hour, the standard stopper lowered our 4 doors nearly 5,000 pounds from 70 miles per hour in an impressive 151 feet. The powerful, albeit thirsty, RS7 is expected to deliver 15 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. Running it on the 75 miles per hour highway fuel-efficient route, which was part of our extensive testing regimen, and delivered 23 mpg in the real world. For more information on RS7 fuel economy, while the RS model shares the interior design and passenger space with the regular A7, it also has some exclusive details and interesting options. Of course, the solid build quality and high-end materials are instantly recognizable. However, the cabin of the RS7 is decorated with a special logo trim and other unique accents. The standard front sport seats have nice leather upholstery but can be re-upholstered with upgraded leather and ventilated cushions. The rear seats can accommodate 2 or 3 people, depending on the seat configuration chosen, and the cargo area offers 19 cubic feet of space with the rear seats in use and 49 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Every RS7 is equipped with a cool infotainment system that operates via 2 touchscreens that blend seamlessly into the top dashboard and flowing center console. Unfortunately, climate control and other settings that have to be manipulated via the bottom screen can take the driver's eyes off the road. To avoid this annoyance, Audi's voice recognition software comes in handy. Along with a powerful navigation system that pops up on the top screen, and which can be expanded in a fully digital gauge cluster, the RS7 comes standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. The top option is the expensive Bang & Olufsen stereo that pumps 1820 watts through 19 speakers. Apart from some basic active safety technologies, Audi offers a range of more advanced equipment as part of the driver assistance package. There is also a standalone option for night vision which provides great animal and pedestrian detection.